Between me and you could probably have any woman on this planet.
But I want the woman who loves me before the money.
I get it, man. I get it.
You think a man can be in a relationship with a woman with no money and no plans?
Possibly. Wait, no.
Unconditional love doesn't exist for a man.
Explain.
Well, what's the first thing that people ask when you meet a man?
What do you do? But in all fairness, they ask that of women too.
Yes, but a woman can be attractive and not do anything, and is perfectly fine.
This is true. Depends on how attractive.
This can't be said of a man, and I mean as a family man. Let's face it, everything you do is with your family in mind. It's just on you. The woman thinks it's on her, but she doesn't understand. Her weight is on me. It's the weight of a man.
The weight of a man. Listen,